everybody, Nomadic Matt here, and I am in Chiang Mai, Thailand at the Elephant Nature Park. This is a sanctuary for elephants that were abused, involved in illegal logging, or used in trekking for tourists and really injured. You can hear one in the background right now. It's a great volunteer support organization that rescues these elephants and lets them live naturally and in the wild. And it's a great cause because elephants come here, they are rehabilitated, they're put in herds, and they're allowed to live naturally. So this is going to be pretty fun. I'm excited. I love elephants. At the very least, I get to pet them and pretend I have one as a pet. So let's go explore. This is great. She's playing in the water.
Yeah, like a big natural reef. It's not hurt right now.